Hello students, today's topic is taken solubility and solubility product constant. Today we take solubility and solubility product constant called as KSP, their calculations and their relations. Okay, so first we take solubility or solubility product. We are studying for which type of salt. See, first of all we study these properties, solubility and solubility product constant calculation. We are studying for sparingly soluble salts. Sparingly soluble salts means the salt which are not highly soluble. The salts which are less soluble. इसका meaning क्या होता है? Less soluble or partially soluble in solutions. When we dissolve the salts in solutions, solubility is not very high. Solubility is lower. The salt which are low solubility, for them we study this topic solubility and solubility product constant. To explain this solubility and solubility product constant, we can take in a beaker. Let us explain here. We will take in a beaker, we take some water, and in that solution, water we add some solute. What happens in the beginning? The solute will dissolve. The solute will dissolve its nature. Ionic compounds, if they have high hydration enthalpy, then lattice energy, the salt is readily soluble. Now what happens? We add some more salt, it can dissolve further. Now we keep on adding more and more salt slowly. We keep on adding more and more salt slowly in solution. Now one point is coming called point of saturation. Called as point of saturation. Once solution gets saturated, after that point we cannot dissolve more salt. If at all we add some extra salt, what happens? The salt will not dissolve, or in solution they have ions, they recombine back to give the insoluble salt. They recombine to give back the insoluble salt. समझ में आपको आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है इसमें वाला? तो what happens? You can write definition लिख लीजिए इसका. Write down definition of solubility. लिखिए. It is the amount of salt dissolved. It is the amount of salt dissolved per liter, dissolved per liter to form per liter to form saturated solution, to form saturated solution means solution should be saturated. इसका meaning क्या होता है कि once solution gets saturated, we cannot dissolve extra salt. We cannot dissolve extra salt. So once solution gets saturated, at that point, how much salt is dissolved in solution per liter is called as the solubility of salt. It is called as solubility of salt. Now solubility can be expressed in gram per liter or moles per liter. For the salt solubility, we can express in gram per liter or in moles per liter. So what is relation of solubility in gram per liter or mole per liter? The solubility in moles per liter will be equal to solubility in gram per liter divided by molar weight. For the salt, solubility in moles per liter will be equal to solubility in gram per liter by molar weight. Simple logic है. आपको देखना है वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर, आप लेंगे वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर. इन 1 लीटर वॉल्यूम दोनों में कॉमन हो गया. हाउ टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ मोल्स? वेट इन ग्राम by molar weight. Weight in gram by molar weight is becoming what here? Solubility in moles per liter. Okay. That is first point you have to keep in mind. कि solution are saturated at that point only. Whatever amount of salt dissolved in solution is called as the solubility of salt. Okay. Right. Next point. देखिए. A salt is soluble. A salt is soluble in water. Salt is soluble in water only if. A salt is soluble in water only if it undergoes complete dissociation. It undergoes complete dissociation. मीनिंग क्या होता है कि whatever amount of salt dissolved in solution, so complete dissociation. Whatever amount of salt dissolved in solution will undergo complete dissociation into ions. They give ions, cations and ions. So means alpha is 1. Okay, whatever salt dissolved, for that alpha is equal to 1 for the salt dissolved in solution. Until the question is mentioned. Remember, if in question sometime they may give the salt is 80% dissociated, 90% dissociated. In that kind of case, you can take alpha value accordingly. But otherwise, in the solution, if we are not given the percentage dissociation, then the entire salt, whichever dissolves in solution, will undergo complete dissociation. Means alpha is equal to 1 for the salt dissolved. Okay. Next point is to calculate solubility product constant KSP. Write down next point. To calculate solubility product constant KSP. In short, we write sometimes KSP as only solubility product, but complete name is solubility product constant. लिखिए. To calculate solubility product constant, we take solubility of salts. Solubility of salts in moles per liter. We take solubility of salts in moles per liter. Actually, what happens sometimes the exam they give question, if for the salt solubility given this much gram per liter, then find solubility product. Remember to find solubility product. I will explain how to find out. To find solubility product of salt, we will take solubility always in moles per liter. If in the question solubility is given to you in gram per liter, convert to moles per liter. कैसे करेंगे? ये आपका relation है कि solubility in gram per liter divided by molar weight, we get solubility in moles per liter. We will get solubility in moles per liter. I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा 20 वाला relation कि solubility of salt to be taken in moles per liter निकालते कैसे हैं? इस relation से कि solubility in gram per liter by molar weight. तो ये आपका हुआ basic terms introduction के लिए यहाँ पे. Now before we move further, we take one term called ionic product. We take one more term called ionic product because we relate ionic product with solubility product of the salt. We take term ionic product. Ionic product of salt. We write symbol IP. क्या होता है लिखिए इसका definition ionic product का. It is the product of, write down. It is the product of concentration of ions. It is the product of concentration of ions obtained on dissolving 1 mole of solute in solution. Obtained on dissolving 1 mole of solute in solution raised to power of number of ions. Raised to power of number of ions. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? If I take some basic examples, if I suppose dissolve the salt NaCl, in NaCl salt, they can give in solution Na plus Cl minus. So what we can write expression of ionic product, concentration of sodium ions into Cl negative ions. Is simply ionic product means if I suppose write a salt like salt taken calcium fluoride, when we dissolve in solution, this can give calcium plus 2 ions plus 2 F negative ions. Right now we are not sure if solution is saturated or not saturated. So when we dissolve salt, what can happen? We can write for this case ionic product as concentration of calcium plus 2 ions into F negative square. If I suppose take salt barium phosphate on dissolving barium phosphate, आपको क्या था solution है? It gives 3 barium plus 2 ions plus 2 phosphate ions. So in this case, what can be taken? Expression of ionic product of salt, concentration of barium plus 2 ions into concentration of phosphate ions, power of number of ions. For we have 3 moles of barium plus 2 ions, the square. 2 moles of phosphate ion, 3 moles is power 3. 3 moles of barium and its power is 3 and phosphate are 2. That is meaning of this term here, raised to power of number of ions. Okay, it is the product of ionic concentrations. Product of concentration of ions raised to power of number of ions obtained on dissolving 1 mole of solute. Obtained on dissolving 1 mole of solute. So in different cases, we can write expression of ionic product this way. We can write expression of ionic product this way. Okay. Now we take a term solubility product constant. Okay, ionic product can resemble your QC, reaction quotient. Ionic product can resemble your QC, reaction quotient. You can treat like equivalent to QC, and KSP you can treat equivalent to your KC. KSP you can treat equivalent to your KC. When solutions are saturated, then KSP will be same as ionic product. Okay, so let us write some expression of KSP. Now for writing expression of solubility product constant, we can dissolve salt. If I take salt, common taken AgCl, when we dissolve, they give in solution Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. If in the salt I am writing here solubility is X, for different cases in solubility product calculations I will take solubility as X moles per liter. I will take for different salt solubility as X moles per liter, because for solubility product calculations we take solubility in moles per liter. So if I write for salt, I will take 3-4 salts. For all the salt I will take solubility in moles per liter. Like 1 mole can give 1 mole and 1 mole. So if solubility is X moles per liter, then it can give X moles per liter of Ag plus ions, and Cl negative ions concentration also X moles per liter. Then for this case, what can be taken? Expression of solubility product. देखिए यहाँ पर क्या होता है? In writing KSP expressions, solutions are to be taken as saturated. There is equilibrium between the salt unionized and the ions produced. There is equilibrium reaction. We write salt in solid state, ions in aqueous solution at equilibrium. From here we write expression of KSP कितना आएगा? Concentration of Ag plus ions into Cl negative ion. It is just like your expression of ionic product. Concentration of Ag plus into Cl minus कितना हुआ? X square. KSP coming X square. Then for the salt, if you require solubility, will be how much? Root of KSP. Actually, in examinations you get questions. For the salt, if solubility product is given to you, find solubility, or reciprocal. For the salt, if solubility is given to you, find solubility product. If KSP given, find solubility, or if solubility is given to you, then find solubility product. Type questions. So it is one example. If I write second salt, calcium fluoride, if it is solid will dissolve, then it can give calcium plus 2 ions aqueous plus 2 F negative aqueous. In this case, 1 mole of salt can give 1 mole of calcium ions and 2 moles of F negative ions. 1 mole salt give 1 mole of calcium plus 2 and 2 moles of F negative ions. So क्या हुआ? If solubility is taken X, we get X moles per liter of calcium ions and 2X moles of F negative ion per liter. So in this case, if I write expression of KSP, what can be expression of KSP in this case? Concentration of calcium plus 2 into F minus square. That is how much? Calcium is how much? X. 2X का square will be how much? 4X cube. And from here for salt, solubility will be how much? X. KSP by 4 cube root. So if KSP given, you can find solubility by this expression, or if solubility given in moles per liter. See, I have taken solubility in all the case in moles per liter, x moles per liter. तो अगर आपको solubility दिया है तो आप आराम से KSP निकाल सकते हैं. अगर आपको दिया है KSP तो you can find solubility as well. Okay. Now if I take next example taken barium phosphate. If I take salt, next example taken barium phosphate, Ba3PO4 whole twice. When we dissolve this salt in solution, can give barium plus 2 ions aqueous plus phosphate ions aqueous. Balance करेंगे 3 moles and 2 moles of phosphate ion. So if in this case solubility is x moles per liter, it is 3x, it is 2x. In this case, what is the expression of KSP? If you write similarly, concentration of barium plus 2 ion power 3, phosphate ion concentration power 2. तो कितना आएगा सॉल्व करने पर? 3x power 3, 2x power 2, और it can be taken 108. 3 3 या 9 3 27 into 4 108. 108 x power 5. It's the KSP expression. From here, what can be solubility expression? It is KSP divided by 108. Power कितना है इसमें? Power can be taken 1 by 5. Power is taken 1 by 5 in writing the expression of solubility for this salt of barium phosphate. अब KSP आएगा 108 x power 5. तो what is solubility? KSP divided by 108 fifth root. Power is 1 by 5. Okay, that is meaning of expression of KSP. तो for writing expression KC और ionic product we are using same expressions. Difference क्या है फिर दोनों में? KSP will be taken only when solution is saturated. हम कब लेते हैं solubility product? Only when solution is saturated. Whereas we take ionic product at any condition, solution is saturated or not saturated in any case. For any case, we can write the expression of ionic product. We can write the expression of ionic product, but we cannot write expression of KSP for all the cases. KSP can write expression same as expression of ionic product only when solution is saturated. Only when solution is saturated. आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि अगर आपका solution saturated होगा उस केस में ionic product will be same as solubility product. Ionic product will be same as solubility product. I hope आपको इसमें आ रहा होगा पॉइंट वाला. So that's relation at set one. Then we can take what relation of KSP and ionic product. Same told you right now कि relation of ionic product and KSP. Ionic product is equivalent to your reaction quotient. It can be taken at any concentration, whereas KSP is taken equivalent to your solubility KC. Just like KC, the solubility product of salt will always remain constant at constant temperature. Remember, before a salt, solubility product will not change until or unless we change temperature. Until or unless we change temperature. Whereas KC can change, IP can change. Just like Q reaction quotient was changing, just like Q was changing, we can take IP will change, but not KSP. So what the relation we can take here? We have three possibilities. If we can take, if ionic product is equal to solubility product constant or KSP, that means the solution is saturated. Solution is saturated, and no more salt can be dissolved. When ionic product is equal to KSP, the solution is saturated, and no more salt can be dissolved in the solution. Whereas if ionic product is less than KSP, if IP is less than KSP, that means solution is unsaturated. Solution is unsaturated, and more salt can be dissolved in it. More salt can be dissolved in solution. And when ionic product is more than solubility product, when ionic product is more than solubility product, that means the salt solution get oversaturated or precipitation occurs. Precipitation occurs. इसको ध्यान रखेंगे, क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन पूछते हैं आपके अंदर है कि ऑन मिक्सिंग सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ दिस कंसंट्रेशन दिस वॉल्यूम इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस precipitation will take place. So to form precipitate, there is a condition. Precipitation can occur only and only when ionic product become more than solubility product. If ionic product is equal to solubility product, or if ionic product is less than solubility product, precipitation will not take place. Precipitation will not take place. Precipitation will occur only and only when IP exceeds KSP. तो क्वेश्चन अगर पूछते हैं कि which case PPT will form, remember only when IP is more than KSP precipitation will take place. Otherwise precipitation will not occur. I hope you are getting this point. कि अगर आपका IP equal to KSP के है या IP less than KSP तो PPT will not form. Only when IP is more than KSP precipitation will take place और PPT आपका तब बनेगा. तो होता क्या है, KSP कांस्टेंट रहेगा हमेशा. रिमेंबर कि KSP वैल्यू इज कांस्टेंट, इट इज नॉट वेरिएबल, फिक्स्ड. इन द एग्जाम दिस वैल्यू ऑफ KSP will be given to you and ionic product we will calculate. It is calculated from data given. IP क्या है, चेंज हो सकता है, वेरिएबल है, तो आपको निकालना पड़ेगा IP का वैल्यू. जो भी सॉल्यूशन को आप मिक्स करेंगे, मिक्स करने के बाद जो आपके टारगेट आयंस हैं उनका कितना कंसंट्रेशन होगा मिक्सचर में, उसको निकालने के बाद हम निकालेंगे उसका आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. एंड द क्वेश्चन द वैल्यू ऑफ KSP विल बी गिवन टू यू. ये आपको वैल्यू इसका मिलेगा क्वेश्चन में. समझ आ रहा है? तो अगर ये पता है, ये निकालना है, तो वी कैन इजीली सर्च और कैन फाइंड आउट कि whether PPT will form. It is one of the favorite question of the entrance examinations कि PPT कब बनेगा. We'll take some questions. Now before we take questions calculation on this topic, let us take first elementary questions, some basic questions in which we find solubility product if KSP is given, if solubility is given, or if KSP given to find solubility. Okay, let us take some elementary question first. So let us take some basic questions first. Then we take slowly advance. पहला क्वेश्चन आपको क्या दिया है, आपको सॉल्ट दिया है AgCl. आपको निकालना क्या है, सपोज इफ इट इज solubility is 10 to the power -3 moles per liter. Then find in each case then find solubility product of, पहला पार्ट आपको दिया है AgCl, सेकंड आपको दिया है CaF2, आपको थर्ड दिया है, थर्ड आपको दिया इसमें बेरियम फॉस्फेट. You are given the questions if solubility. देखिए आपको मैं डेटा दे रहा हूँ, this data is not accurate data of the salts. I am just telling the concept through this kind of data. For AgCl solubilities range around 10 to the power -5. इसका होता है range around 10 to the power -4. इसका होता है around 10 to the power -4 range only. This will take question in the question spirit. So in the different case, how to write solubility product? You try this question yourself first. निकालने का आंसर क्या है? तो in solving the first bit, आपका basic rule क्या होता है? For the salt, first write the equation for the salt dissociation. तो क्या आएगा पहले केस में, dissolve AgCl, it gives Ag plus Cl minus aqueous. तो solubility is X. So what is KSP in this case? X square. That is how much taken here? 10 to the power -3 का स्क्वायर कर देंगे, कितना होगा 10 to the power -6 moles per liter square. This is first case. Then in second case, for salt CF2, write the equation of salt first. For equation of salts dissociation, यहाँ पर क्या है सॉलिबिलिटी एक्सप्रेशन, इफ सॉलिबिलिटी इज x, ये अगर 2x, so in this case what can be expression of KSP, concentration of calcium plus 2 into F minus square, कितना आएगा कैल्शियम x 2x power 3 और 2x square 4x cube, put in the value of x here, what is KSP, 4 into 10 to power कितना होगा minus 3 का क्यूब minus 9 n cube. Then similarly in third part we should have how much solubility product, we have written expression in this previous case, so it is 108 x power 5. we discuss this example just previous example, तो क्या आएगा इसमें 108 x कितना दिया है 10 to power minus 3 का पावर 5 कितना हो जाएगा 10 to power minus 15, पावर है इसमें m पावर 5, m क्या है मोलरिटी मोल्स पर लीटर का पावर 5. तो ये आपका पहला पॉइंट है कि अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में सॉलिबिलिटी दिया है मोल्स पर लीटर में, यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ KSP. if suppose solubility could have been given to you in gram per liter, then convert to moles per liter, then find solubility product. Okay, so let us take next question. I hope it is elementary question. केवल आपको पहले करना क्या है, इक्वेशन को पहले सबसे पहले उस सॉल्ट के डिसोसिएशन के लिए आप लिखेंगे इक्वेशन पहले, फिर कितना मोल्स आपका आएगा आयंस का पर लीटर, फिर आप निकाल पाएंगे इसमें सॉलिबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट सॉल्ट के लिए, पहला सेकंड थर्ड में आपको मैंने ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन दिया था पिछले भी कुछ टाइम पहले इंट्रोडक्शन के टाइम पर, तो ये आपका आएगा KSP वैल्यू हियर. इट इज फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन गिवन. आपको अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, आपको सॉल्ट दिया है फॉर सॉल्ट फॉर AgCl, फॉर सॉल्ट AgCl if solubility is given, if solubility is given 143.5 milligram per liter, then find solubility product. If for salt AgCl, if solubility is given 143.5 milligram per liter, then find for the salt solubility product. Okay, try this question yourself. Now let's come on solution part. To solve this question, solubility given milligram per liter. हमारा aim क्या है? Means different equation first of KSP of AgCl क्या रहेगा? Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Solubility is x. तो what is KSP in this case? x square. हमें यहाँ पे solubility x निकालना किस में है? मोल्स पर लीटर में. दिया किस में है? मिलीग्राम per liter. तो first let's find solubility x. What is solubility in moles per liter? कैसे निकालेंगे? That is your x. आपको दिया है 143.5 मिलीग्राम. Make it gram first. It is gram. 1 milligram is how many gram? 1/1000 grams. By molar weight 143.5 कितना आएगा ये 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. For the salt solubility will come 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. Put the value here 10 to power minus 5 का square. So for this case KSP will come 10 to power minus 10 m square moles per liter का square. Here's your answer. Then for the salt solubility product will come 10 to power minus 10 moles per liter का स्क्वायर कर देंगे इसका. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको सॉलिबिलिटी दिया हुआ है ग्राम पर लीटर में, मिलीग्राम पर लीटर में, माइक्रोग्राम पर लीटर में, पहले क्या करेंगे कन्वर्ट टू ग्राम पर लीटर एंड देन फाइंड सॉलिबिलिटी इन मोल्स पर लीटर. कैसे निकालते हैं? सॉलिबिलिटी इन ग्राम पर लीटर बाय मोलर वेट बिकम मोल्स पर लीटर. सॉलिबिलिटी इन ग्राम पर लीटर divided by molar weight. For AgCl what is molar weight? Ag का होता है 108, क्लोरीन का 35.5. That's molar weight of AgCl 143.5. तो ये क्या आपको देगा, सॉल्युबिलिटी इन मोल्स पर लीटर। आई होप इट इज क्लियर, फाइन। लेट अस टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है, इन ए saturated solution of calcium fluoride CaF2, the concentration of F negative ion is given, 2 into 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. Concentration of F negative is given 2 into 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. Then find, आपको निकालना क्या क्या है, concentration of calcium plus 2 ions. Second part, solubility of salt. Third part, solubility product of the salt. आपको solution दिया, solution is saturated. In a saturated solution of calcium fluoride, concentration of F negative ion is given 2 into 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. निकालना क्या है, find the concentration of calcium plus 2 ion, solubility of the salt or solubility product. लिख लिया, try this question yourself. हो गया, let's come on solution part. To solve this question, write the equation first. आपका equation क्या है, CaF2 when we dissolve it give calcium plus 2 ion aqueous plus 2F negative aqueous. Write the reaction first. CaF2 solid when dissolved give calcium plus 2 and 2F negative, both aqueous. So if solubility is taken x moles per liter, so it is x, it is 2x. We are given in the question concentration of F negative ion कितना है, 2x. That is 2 into 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. That means x is how much, 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. It is your answer, solubility. For the salt, solubility will come 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. Then what is concentration of calcium ion, same as x, so it is same. Concentration of calcium plus 2 ion is same as solubility of salt. Concentration of calcium plus 2 ions is same as solubility of the salt, x. कितना हुआ उसका वैल्यू, 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. Solubility का क्या, 10 to power minus 4 moles per liter. अब आप करेंगे solubility product निकालने के लिए. Therefore third part, what is KSP? Concentration of calcium plus 2x into F negative square. That is 4x cube. हम x निकाल चुके हैं, 4 into 10 to power minus 12 m cube. Putting the x value from here in the given expression, putting x equal to 10 to power minus 4, we will have solubility product of the salt 4 into 10 to power minus 12 moles per liter का power 3. I hope they are the elementary questions. कि आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछता है, KSP दिया है, find solubility, find concentration of different ions in solution type questions. Okay. Let us take next example, next question. आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है, find the volume of saturated solution of barium sulfate containing 1 gram of barium sulfate. Volume of solution of barium sulfate containing 1 gram of salt barium sulfate. आपको दिया हुआ है KSP of barium sulfate is given 10 to power minus 10 m square, and the required element, if it is taken barium sulfate or barium, what is atomic weight of barium is 137, सल्फर का 32 है, O का 16 पता है सबको ही. It is given to you. Question here, find the volume of saturated solution of barium sulfate containing 1 gram of barium sulfate. Given the solubility product of barium sulfate is 10 to power minus 10 moles per liter का square unit, and for barium ion we require the atomic mass is 137, sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. It is given to you. Okay, now try this question yourself. Okay, answer. Now I'm solving this question. I told you write the reaction first. Reaction क्या है salt का? We write this reaction of barium sulfate will dissolve in solution with barium plus 2 ions plus sulfate ions. Barium plus 2 ions plus sulfate ions. If for the salt I can take solubility x moles per liter. If for the salt solubility can be taken x moles per liter, then what is Ksp of the salt? Concentration of barium ions into sulfate ions x square. It is given to 10 to power minus 10. From here for the salt solubility how much? 10 to power minus 5 moles per liter. We first find the solubility of salt in moles per liter. Then we can convert the solubility to gram per liter. Then we convert this solubility to gram per liter. How? देखिए. What is solubility in gram per liter? It is solubility in moles per liter into molar weight. What is molar weight of barium sulfate? Barium 137 plus sulfur 32 plus 16 into 4 is 64 for oxygen. As you hold the molar weight coming 233 of barium sulfate था. solubility का था रिलेशन कि solubility in moles per liter का था, solubility in gram per liter डिवाइड बाय मोलर वेट. यहाँ उसका उल्टा करना है कि solubility कितना है ग्राम पर लीटर में, तो solubility in ग्राम पर लीटर कितना हुआ इक्वल टू solubility in moles per liter into molar weight is equal to solubility in moles per liter into molar weight. समझ आ रहा है ये वाला पॉइंट? फ्रॉम हियर ये आपका है solubility in ग्राम पर लीटर. फिर हम निकाल पाएंगे इसमें क्या वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन आपको निकालना है. can take from here 233 into 10 to power minus 5 gram of salt require or dissolves in how much solution? Volume taken 1 liter. ये क्या है solubility in gram per liter. This many grams of salt required volume 1 liter for dissolution for getting dissolved. Then for 1 gram salt how much solution required here? So 1 by 233 into 10 to the power 5 liters. On solving this volume come nearly 429 something like that liter. Approximately your answer. This volume of solution come nearly 429 liters. आप निकाल सकते हैं इसको आंसर 429 430 liters. You can add approximately as the volume. This you can solve this last part. So anyway it is a question taken. If solubility आपको निकालना था पहले ग्राम मोल्स पर लीटर में, फिर निकाला ग्राम पर लीटर में. फिर देखिए हमें निकालना क्या है वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन containing 1 gram salt. Containing 1 gram salt. So this many gram in 1 liter, then 1 gram in this many liters. I hope it is clear. This example. Okay, let us take some more examples, more questions in continuation. Write next question. देखिए the values of Ksp. The value of Ksp, the solubility product constants of two sparingly soluble salts, of two sparingly soluble salts Mx and Qx2, of two sparingly soluble salt Mx and Qx2 are 4 into 10 to the power minus 18. Means they have same magnitude. Then predict which salt is more soluble. Then predict which salt is more soluble. यहाँ पे क्या दिया दोनों में सेम KSP वैल्यूज, देन प्रेडिक्ट विच सॉल्ट इज मोर सॉल्युबल. ओके, ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. हो गया आंसर. In solving this question they ask you कि are they equally soluble or mx is more soluble or qx2 is more soluble or delta is insufficient. Type options are given to you. Now to solve this question, KSP equal does not means that the salt have same solubility. KSP equal does not indicate that the salts are having same solubility. आपको वहां पे solubility निकालना पड़ता है इक्वेशन से. So let us check for mx2 in solving this question. For salt mx when dissolve क्या देगा m plus plus x minus. If solubility is x, then what can be taken KSP? आपको दिया हुआ है x square is equal to 4 into 10 to power minus 18. From your solubility come how much? 10 to power minus square root लेने पे 2 into 10 to power minus 9 moles per liter. For the salt NX when dissociate, I'm not writing solid, it's solid obviously. Giving ions, तो solubility is how much here? X assume कर लिया हमने. KSP कितना आएगा? X square equal to दिया है KSP का value. Solubility of solving coming 2 into 10 to power minus 9 moles per liter. पहला point. अगला point सॉल्व किया QX2. When we dissolve तो क्या Q and X minus बैलेंस कर लेते हैं 2, तो it is Q plus 2. Now in this case for salt, if I take solubility suppose X dash, तो 2X dash. आपको कंपेयर करना है ना, तो एक मानते हैं X है तो एक का solubility मान लिया हमने X dash moles per liter. तो यहाँ पर बनेगा KSP का एक्सप्रेशन कंसंट्रेशन x dash into 2x dash का स्क्वायर कितना आएगा ये 4x dash क्यूब इक्वल कर लिया 4 into 10 to power minus 18 m क्यूब मींस आपको तो यूनिट दिया ही हुआ है. On solving from here what is x dash coming 10 to power minus 6 moles per liter. When we compare two expressions x dash is more than x, that means QX2 salt is more soluble. That means salt QX2 is more soluble. I hope it is clear. Therefore, the salt X dash is more than X, indicating the salt QX2 is more soluble. Okay.